Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app, and here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we can tap on the settings icon, and then under my account we tap on password. Here we can, first we have to enter our current password, and after we have entered our current password, we are going to be redirected to another page where we can enter our new password, and then we just have to tap on save, and the password is going to be updated. So yeah, once again, under my account, you just tap on password, enter your password, and then enter the password that you want it to be changed to. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.